mai I pōtiki rua ki te toka a Taiao. Rere iho ki ngā tukemata o Kahungunu. Ngā reo irirangi o Tairāwhitī.
Mōrena he ka māo, it's a little bit chilly outside, no reira, ko hara mai mātou o Kapu Tairāwhitī ki konei ki rō whare e mihi atu ana ki te whare o Tautua. But we are always warm here on
Kapu Tairāwhitī.
We're your top online information show brought to you by Tūranga FM, Radio Ngāti Parau and Radio Kahungunu.
Now, Kapu Tairāwhitī is definitely your top online show, but when it comes to top construction, Topline is on top.
Topline provides paving and roading solutions in the commercial, residential and government sectors and are the preferred support contractor for national firms working all over Hawke's Bay, improving roads, footpaths, cycleways and walkways.
Now, Radio Kahungunu's Rahina Huata recently spoke to Topline owner Taurus Taurima about employment opportunities his company provides for the community. But first, let's check out the latest news.
Mōrena he ka mā ki te Tairawhitī, kua tukuna atu te karanga ki ngā uri o Matakawa. Hei te toru te kaumatahi o tēnei marama tū ai tētahi wānanga ki te marae o Hinerupe, ki te araroa. Ko te whāinga kia whakakotahi ai te hapori me te ako i ngā momo tikanga, himene, mō tiatia, haka anō hoki.
Ki tūranganui a Kiwa, kua tīmata ngā mahi whakatika i te ara o Grey Street. He tohu ka paitahia ki te rori me te hiahia kia ātahaere ngā waka. Ko te anga matua kia haumaru ake ai te rori o Kahutia, pātata ana ki te paparetireti. I warau mano tāra te utu mō enei whakatikatika. Te kaupaiheneti ka utua i te kaunihera arohe o Tūranganui a Kiwa.
Ki Kahungunu I nai nei, koe nei te wiki tuatahi tīmata ai ngā mahi toha pauaka kai ki pā harakeke. He kaupapa tēnei I whakaretia ai e ngā rangatahi o te kāreti o Flaxmere, ki te whanga I te hapuri, whai muri I te katinga o te toa hoko maha o New World. Mena e hiahia ana koe tētahi atu rānei I tētahi pauaka ki ana I te hua whenua, hua rākau, ana I te pai tukutuku. A kāti koe ranga kaitimo I tēnei wā.
When Taurus Taurima started Topline, he worked from the back of his car with a wheelbarrow and hand tools.
Taurus is fiercely proud of his Flaxmere roots, and some believed his company would never succeed when he started.
However, his company, Topline Contracting, has flourished, and now Taurus has a passion for ensuring Topline staff from all walks of life are given opportunities to succeed. Let's check it out.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to kōrero with me today. It is our absolute privilege. Can you tell me a bit about Topline and how you got started, what inspired you?
Kia ora, my name's Taurus Taurima. I'm the owner of Topline Contracting here in Hawke's Bay. I grew up in Flaxmere, it's the place I call home. Our company builds roads, but our motto is no, we don't only build roads, we build people.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's awesome, actually.
Yeah.
I feel like this is, or what the mahi that you do is like a beacon of hope for our people, because you've also given our people a second chance, at mahi, and you know, the stories that I've heard anyway.
Yeah, I mean, I started the Topline Training Academy 18 months ago, and the purpose for that was I was speaking to troubled youth sort of programs, and at the end of the speech I asked how many of them wanted a job, and 7 of them put their hands up, and I thought, well, I can't employ you all. I just finished employing 6 people exactly like you, and I couldn't keep hiring whānau. We just got to the maximum sort of capacity, and I thought, I can't employ you guys, but I'll open up a training academy that guarantees 100% employment, but it's predominantly built around life skills. So we start at 6 o'clock, our pickup start, and we want to make sure they can get up early, make sure that they work hard, make sure that they're not there to muck around, make sure that they're positive and drug-free. I try not to look at the past because I'm just worried about what's their goal, where they're wanting to head in the future. because the second chance is maybe all they need, but sometimes they get 5 chances here, which gets a bit hōhai at times, but the 5th chance might be the chance that they needed to move ahead for a better life for their whānau.
Yeah, that's awesome. Can you tell me about some of the ways that you invest in your employees?
My biggest thing that I've found is that not too many people from Paharakeke or from Flaxmere go to university or finish kura, so we haven't got the certificates. And if you don't have the certificates, you always start on minimum wage. So in this industry, I'm big on making sure they get the qualification, but I make sure it's an investment for themselves, not for me. They own the qualifications, they own the mahi.
Yeah, sure. Why do you do what you do?
My goal was to take as many people out of the Winds office as I possibly could and put them into full-time mahi and make sure they never return there. And that's a big reason why I do it. I did it for my children, so I could show them that I turned my life around. I didn't know many business owners from Paharakeke or even any big business owners that came out of there. So I was on a mission to try and do what I had never seen, so our whānau could see that it was a possibility and to inspire the next generation.
Yeah, awesome, and I bet you are. Thank you so much for sharing your story with me today. It's absolutely admirable and inspirational too. And no doubt it would have helped so many rangatahi and still so many to come. So thank you so much.
Ka pai, no problem, anytime.
Kārawe. Now, since 2016, Topline has grown from just 2 staff to over 60.
Wow.
Ka maituihi
That's
ne.
a huge jump. If you're looking for mahi or some work done, you can contact Taurus via his webpage, Anei.
Now, tomorrow on Kapu Tairāwhitī, we've got another local Tūranganui-a-Kiwa story all about balloons, but not just any balloons, they are gift balloons. We are the gift that keeps giving. But until then, e te ti, e te tā, hei kona. I just made that up.